Welcome to Broken and Smoking. Hello, old boys and girls, and welcome to Broken and Smoking. The fiance slash ex-wife says I have a problem. I will start a project, but will never finish it. Yeah, she's probably right. So here on the channel, we're going to have the kids slash redheaded stepkids help me out in the shop some. Show them a little thing or two. Maybe we'll both learn something together. But I start this YouTube channel for my daughter. See, she has autism. And I want to use this as a tool to get her out of her comfort zone and try to show her and teach her it's okay to not be perfect, or it's okay that people are different. Because we're all different in some sort of way. So I'm going to use this to hopefully break her from thinking that way, and for other people to be aware that autism's a real thing. I mean, it's everywhere. Do y'all like four-wheel drives? What about big blocks? What about a Ford LTD? I've got some wheels spinning in my mind about this one. Will it work out or not? I don't know. Help me decide. It's not a bad old car. The interior's pretty ready to a point, but it's not all rusted out. Stinks to high heaven. It's been in a barn for several years. See the wheel wells? Had some kind of janky, hanky-panky repair job back from, looks like the 1969 sometime. It looks like it's stick welded together. Has the vinyl top syndrome. That's about the worst part of it. But I got an idea to fix that too. There's my workbench, as you can see. Workbench was down here until I decided to move it. Engine bay, air conditioning car, power steering, the trunk pan is rusted out from where all the water, I guess, ran down into the trunk pan. Last inspection, 1984. What about drag trucks? Yeah, another unfinished one. Back half, poorly, but what do I care? I ain't here to impress nobody. Got the LS stuff going on. Mustang 2 front end. It needs to be finished also. Heck, who knows? We might have to work on the tractor sometimes. Where do y'all keep y'all's rock auto magnets? Here's mine on the side of the fridge. This will probably try to be a Willet crank, because I guarantee you it ain't gonna run, but I might can get that sucker to crank. Don't know what it is, haven't looked into it. Other than it looks like it might have fired something off the Titanic, because she is rusty. I'm definitely gonna have this on. Supposed to be a 460, and I know that it is because of the way that it is. They say you can't bring a Ford to a GM, but can you bring a GM to a Ford? And that's how I'm going to crank this on this here stand. So I hope you subscribe and follow us along this journey with the ex-wife slash fiance and the redheaded stepkids.